Welcome back to American Dream Mansions. Today we are visiting one of the most beautiful luxury estates you will ever see. This incredible dream property is located near Sydney, Australia, and sits on more than 6 acres of private land surrounded by nature, peace, and total privacy. From the moment you see this mansion, you can tell this is not a normal house. The exterior design shows a perfect combination of modern luxury and classic architecture. The gray and silver color theme gives the home a rich and powerful look, while the large windows allow natural light to enter every part of the house. As we walk toward the entrance, you can see the long driveway, landscaped gardens, and the massive front view of the home. This property looks like something built for a billionaire lifestyle. The front doors are large, modern, and elegant, giving a grand welcome to anyone who enters. Now we step inside the mansion, and the first thing you notice is the huge entrance hall. The marble floor, luxury lights, and high ceiling make this place feel like a 5-star hotel. Every detail in this house is designed with perfection. Moving into the living room, the space feels warm but also very luxurious. The gray and silver theme continues here with modern sofas, a large TV wall, and beautiful lighting. The big windows show the amazing outdoor views and make the room feel even bigger. Next, we enter the kitchen, and this is truly one of the best parts of the house. The kitchen has a large marble island in the center, high-end appliances, and modern cabinets with a perfect silver finish. This kitchen looks like it belongs in a celebrity mansion. There is also plenty of space for cooking, dining, and family gatherings. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area. The long dining table, designer chairs, and elegant chandelier make this the perfect place for luxury dinners. You can imagine hosting big parties here with family and friends. Now let's check out the entertainment area. This mansion includes a private cinema room where you can watch movies like you were in a real theater. There is also a games room and a relaxing lounge area with a big screen TV, perfect for enjoying time at home. Next, we move to the bedrooms. This house has multiple large bedrooms designed for comfort and peace. The master bedroom looks like a luxury hotel suite, with a big bed, beautiful lights, and large windows with garden views. There is also a dream dressing room and a modern bathroom with marble design, glass shower, and a luxury bathtub. The bathroom feels like a spa. Everything is clean, modern, and designed with expensive materials. Living in a house like this means enjoying comfort every day. Now we go outside, and this is where the property becomes even more amazing. The backyard has huge green lawns, trees, and a peaceful garden area. There is even a swing sitting area where you can relax and enjoy nature. The infinity swimming pool is one of the best features of this estate. The pool area looks like a luxury resort, with sun lounge space, outdoor seating, and a pool house next to it. Imagine spending summer days here with friends and family. This property also has a luxury garage with space for many cars. There is enough room for sports cars, SUVs, and even boats or equipment. This shows the house is built for a very high-end lifestyle. Another great feature is the private gym room. You don't need to go outside to stay fit because everything is inside your own house. The entire estate is designed for privacy. There are no close neighbors, so you can enjoy a peaceful and quiet life while still being close to the city, shops, and schools. This is not just a house. This is a dream mansion built for people who want the best life possible. From the design to the location, everything about this property shows luxury, comfort, and power. If you love luxury homes like this, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more incredible house tours every week. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next Dream Mansion tour.